So we're here now to see the best practices to sustain your revenue. So for example, you've made about $1,000. How do you make sure this $1,000 keep on growing to 2,000, growing to 3,000 and 5, and so therefore? How do you make that happen? First of all, let me say this. The only time you're able to withdraw your money from your YouTube partner program is when you get up to $100. Okay, so you can withdraw 10 from 100 and above, just to get that out of the way. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is how do you increase or sustain your revenue. This is what you do. The best practices is, now when you create content, each video, let me make this out clear, each video earns money. Each video makes money. Yes. So if you are creating more videos now, before you get monetized, it means that you are setting yourself up to make a lot of money. So what this means is that somebody that has 500 videos and somebody that has 15 videos, who do you think will make more money here? I'll wait for you to answer that in the comment section. Obviously, this guy, 500 will make more money, because 500 videos, each of these videos will make money. So even if each video makes $1, assuming, which is not possible, but let's say each video make $1 per month, that's about $500 per month, right? And let's say each video make $1 per month here, that's about $15 per month. So you see why you need to consistently create videos. The more videos you create, the more money you can make. And mind you, these videos make money every day. Some videos might not make money some days. The tendency is that they make money every day. So for you to also make money every day and increase your earnings, you need to be consistent. You need to have a consistent flow or a consistent way of uploading content. So if you have 40 contents right now while watching this video, tell yourself that by the end of the first quarter of this year, you want to have at least about 100 videos, 100 quality videos. Not saying just go record anything, 100 quality videos. More videos equates more money. But then again, when you make money, the more money you make is really dependent on where the traffic is coming from. The US traffic gives you more money compared to the Indian traffic, compared to the African traffic. So have that in the back of your mind. So you make contents that would appeal to people in top tier countries, because you make more money. But be that as it may, the more videos you make, the more money you make. So do not relent. Don't say, oh, you've gotten your first $1,000, so you are good. Yes, you can keep making that $1,000. That's a good thing. You can keep making that $1,000 because you got to $1,000 because of the amount of content that you have. However, if you want to grow, your channel has to grow and grow in size. One of the big guys in the industry, Mr. Beast, check how many videos he has. He has hundreds of videos, meaning he's still making videos regardless of how many subscribers he has. He has millions of subscribers. He has millions of views, but he's still making content. So don't get cocky, don't get lazy, don't get complacent. Keep making videos. That's the best practice if you want to sustain your revenue, you want to make more money. Another thing you can also do for you to be able to be rich or wealthy using the YouTube business is by diversifying your income. Whatever money that comes in from YouTube, diversify it. Create other businesses. Create a course. For example, it takes time, effort, and money to create a course. A course like this I'm creating. Create a course and sell and upload it and sell it in affiliate platforms. Create an app, create an e-commerce website, or a dropshipping website. Your money should not be spent on just looking good or on buying cars or buying the new phones. No, your money should be spent on building businesses like this, or business like this, or business like this. When you do this, YouTube will still pay you while your businesses will still pay you. This way, you'll be unstoppable because you have multiple revenue coming in from different angles. This is one of the best ways to be good, to be great when it comes to YouTube business. Don't get caught sleeping. Don't get caught in the stadium phase where you think you have arrived or you have landed. No, keep working, keep hustling, keep making videos, keep creating content. And before you know it, you'll be the next big thing out there. I also want to say this before we go to the next module. When you start off creating content, start off by thinking, who can be a sponsor? Start off by thinking, who can be a sponsor for the kind of content you're creating? Look for sponsors. Yes, you might have 10 subscribers or you might have 0, but how you speak with them would let them know that you know what you're doing. So this is what you tell them. Tell them that, see, you are making content that fits their industry and that you want them to partner with, to be your sponsor, to sponsor your videos. As you grow, they will grow with you, and they don't necessarily have to pay very much when you are now grown. You could tell them to sign a 1-year contract with you, or a 2-year contract with you, and from there you take it, from there you grow. All right, so reach out to sponsors, have like 10 or 50 of them, and send them emails telling them what you're doing, telling them what you're creating. Many of them will tell you no because you have smaller followers, but 1 or 2 might tell you yes, and that's the only thing you need. That's the only ginger you need to keep going. And once you have those very few ones, you're okay, you have some money entering your pocket, you're more gingered, you can have people to help you with editing or post-production. All right, now while you grow, when you've become the big channel I pray you become, these other guys that said no to you will come back to you, and that is where you now charge them the big bucks. So the 2 or 3 that stayed with you, you can leave them and maybe from time to time review your agreements or your terms, or review how much they plan to keep paying you. But the moment you've grown, the guys that said no to you, reach out to them and tell them this is what's happening. Your channel is now big and grown, that your channel is growing. From time to time, reach out to them and tell them this is your current fee. Charge them very high, because when you had no subscribers, they were not willing to do business with you. Many of them will come to you because everybody's attracted to success and are willing to pay you big buck. Guys, what I'm showing you, what I'm telling you is something that will change your life. You can become a millionaire. You can make millions of dollars if you can follow all of these steps, be disciplined, and don't give up. Part of the time is you giving up. You can be your own obstacle when it comes to making money or being successful with YouTube. Now, it's time for us to move to the next module.